Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chantel and you are welcome to today's broadcast. How have you guys been? You're welcome to my live show today. It's been a while, like not really a while like that. It's like a few days. Yes, I'm glad to have you guys back on board today, okay? Now, today's video actually is for the benefit of the people who are just coming to the UK and they're trying to seek clarification about their stay, their family, their children in the UK, and especially those that came on a skilled worker visa that are asking questions about their stay and their newborn. All right. So if you have just moved to the UK on a skilled worker visa and you now have a baby, congratulations. Okay, yes, it's actually a good thing and you should be happy about it. However, there is nothing to worry about. I see different questions, people trying to seek clarification way forward on it. Yes, it's just here. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Chantel and this is Chantel TV, the home of information. Like you already know, we share information here about UK living, lifestyle, education and whatnot. Okay, so if this sounds like something that's interests you, you might want to click the like button and subscribe to my channel and become part of this community, okay, and enjoy what we enjoy. We share good information around here. You're welcome. Please give this video a thumbs up for me and you will not regret you did. All right, back to what I was saying. If you came to UK on a skilled worker visa and your wife, your partner, your dependent, got pregnant in between the job and then they put to bed and you now have a new baby, okay, it is fine to do that. You've not broken any law, you're not against the law here if you do that. Yes, you just had a baby, you haven't committed any crime. So now what happened to the baby is that you can decide to leave the birth of the child for now while you're still in the UK. You may not need to do anything. Definitely, you will have been given a birth certificate right from the birth, the hospital where you had the baby. Okay, yeah, that is fine. You can do anything you want within the UK, and the child will still have access to everything a child should have access to in the UK as long as the parents are legal and you are already on a skilled worker visa. So you're very much legal in the UK as a resident, and that is fine. So you don't need to do anything. But in case where you have to travel with the child, this video is for you. Okay, please give it a thumbs up, share this video to people who are new to the system in the UK and they don't know how this works. It might help them. Now, in a situation where you have to travel out of the UK with your newborn, that is where you really need documentation for this newborn of yours. Maybe you want to take your child back to your home country to see your parents, to meet with other family members. It's fine to do that, but you will need to get a documentation, proper documentation for this child. So I saw a question that popped up online for us that what can I do with my baby? I need to travel with my baby to my home country to see my parents and all that. It's fine. So what you need to do is you need to get a travel document for your baby. The travel document of your home country. Go to the embassy of your home country in the UK, register the baby by obtaining the document, the birth document, the travel document, the national passport for the child, and then secure a visa, you know, for the child. Get the document for the child and then move. But when you're coming back, just make sure that there's a visa on the baby's passport. Because if you travel with that child and you do not have a valid visa for the child, you may not be able to get the child back into the UK. All right. The link is equally here. I'll drop it on the description box for you to go through it yourself. If you're taking the child out of the UK, you need to put the child on the skilled worker visa like yourself as a dependent, and then you'll be able to go in and out of the UK and come in with that child. But failure to do that, you may not be able to get the child back to the UK. And definitely, if you're not a British born, if you're either of the parents are not British born, the child is not going to be British at birth. The child needs to live in the UK for 7 years before you can get the British citizenship for the child. So in case you need to go for holiday, you need to take the child out of the UK, you need to get a valid travel document for the child, and you need to get the visa that you parent are currently on for the child to be able to come back to the UK from the holiday or everywhere if you're out of the UK. All right. I hope this clarifies the question you have been seeking to get answer for, or to reaffirm what you know. All right, because you definitely, information is power. It gets to change every now and then, and if you're not equipped for it, you might just fall apart. You won't know that this has been updated. So you need to keep checking and updating your information. That's why you're part of Chantel TV, and we do all the work for you. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's been my pleasure. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, share it, update people's knowledge, and especially for people who are new in the UK and just had a baby. This is how you go about it. I hope this has helped you. I'll see you soon on my next video. My name is Chantel. I'll see you guys soon on my next video. Bye. See you. See you. See you. Bye.